In community-based practice and crisis interventions, time is short and trust is fragile. People are often in pain, on edge, or in survival mode. This is where solution-focused therapy shines. Not by solving everything, but by asking the right question at the right time. SFT in the community is brief, respectful, and adaptable. It meets people in parks, clinics, shelters, schools, or sidewalks, and still creates movement. We don't need full case histories to help someone take the next step. We just need presence, empathy, and a question like, what's one small thing you want to be different today? What's already helping, even a little? These conversations are strengths-based, not problem-saturated. They focus on what's possible right now. Crisis interventions using SFT don't ignore distress. They hold space for it, then build from it. We might ask, what's getting you through this moment? Who or what is helping you stay on your feet? We reflect back even the smallest act of agency. You chose to reach out. That's a powerful step. SFT helps de-escalate without disempowering. We stay grounded and client-led. No fixing, no judgment, just curiosity and compassion. In community programs, SFT invites collaboration. What would make this program feel more useful for you? What does support look like in your world? We scale even in chaos. On a scale of 0 to 10, how safe do you feel right now? What would need to happen to move that up half a point? That kind of language invites calm and possibility. SFT also builds bridges between services. Outreach workers, social workers, crisis teams, they can all use SFT tools to connect quickly and meaningfully. Compliments in this context are critical. You're doing the best you can with what you have. That was a smart move you just made. I noticed you stayed calm when it would have been easier not to. In group settings, community meetings, peer support circles, crisis groups, SFT creates hope. What's something that's helped you cope? What's one way you've supported someone else lately? It reminds people that even in hard times, they have value. They have skills. They are more than their situation. We're not asking for total transformation. We're inviting micro movements. One action, one insight, one moment of connection. SFT in the community is about dignity. It respects autonomy. It sees the person first, not just the crisis. And when done well, it leaves people feeling a little more hopeful, a little more in control, a little more ready to try again tomorrow. That's what matters. Because change doesn't always come in calm, quiet rooms. Sometimes it begins on a sidewalk, in a hallway, or in the middle of a storm, with one powerful, respectful question.